Welcome to the Tech Home Podcast, where we delve into the latest in smart home technology and how to make the most of your digital living space. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic, the Xiaomi Home Integration for Home Assistant. Have you ever wondered how you can bring together all your smart devices into one seamless experience? Well, Xiaomi Home Integration does just that. It's an integral component of Home Assistant that helps users manage their Xiaomi IoT smart devices effortlessly. It's like having a universal remote for your entire home automation setup. To kick things off, let's talk installation. If you're a tech enthusiast, you'll appreciate that there are several ways to set this up. You can clone the repository from GitHub, use Hacks, the Home Assistant community store, or even go for a manual installation via Samba or FTPS. Each method allows you to customize how you integrate these devices. So let's take a moment to unpack these methods. If you're someone who loves keeping things neat and tidy, the Git clone method is recommended. This is because it makes version management a breeze, like having a time machine for your integrations. You can easily switch to a previous stable version whenever needed. But what if you're less of a tech wizard? No worries, the Hacks method is super user-friendly. You just add the repository to your Hacks, and boom, you're almost home free. It's like shopping for apps, ensuring all your favorite smart devices are just a click away. Now, once you've installed it, you'll want to log in with your Xiaomi account. This allows the integration to access your list of devices. A word of caution, though, your user information does get saved in clear text in the Home Assistant configuration files, so it's crucial to keep your setup secured, just like you would lock your front door. Moving on to a common question. Does this integration support all Xiaomi devices? While it supports the majority, it's worth noting that Bluetooth devices, infrared devices, and a few others are not included in the mix. Kind of like how not every smartphone can run every app, it's something to consider when planning your smart home setup. And what about those multiple Xiaomi accounts? The good news is that you can integrate different accounts into a single setup. This is perfect for households with multiple users. Imagine being able to say, "Alexa, turn on mom's lights," even if she's logged into her own account. A fascinating aspect of this integration is its ability, or rather, its limitations, when it comes to local control. You need a Xiaomi Central Hub gateway to enable this feature. It's a bit like needing a specific key for a door. Without it, your commands go through the cloud, which can lead to latency. If local control is crucial for you, make sure you've got the right gateway. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about messaging control. Xiaomi Home Integration uses a messaging system that's quite clever. It subscribes to device messages through an MQTT broker, which means you get real-time notifications. It's almost like having a personal assistant that keeps you updated on changes without you needing to ask. No more worrying about whether your smart thermostat has even been adjusted. Before we wrap up, let's touch on the multi-language support. With languages like Chinese, English, Spanish, and more available, users worldwide can comfortably navigate this integration. That's a big plus for a global user base. As we come to a close, it's clear that Xiaomi Home Integration for Home Assistant opens up a world of possibilities for home automation enthusiasts. Whether you're a DIY techie or just getting started, this tool can help create a seamless smart home experience tailored just for you. So, what's next for you? Are you ready to dive into integrating your Xiaomi devices? Or perhaps you have some lingering questions about home automation? Either way, let us know your thoughts.